Central. Printing, outputting different documents, invoices, stuff like that's been greatly improved. Sending stuff directly to an attachment's better. There are faster screen load times, better use of space. There's a new secure edit and Excel feature that's a big improvement. And then they've made some improvements on integration with the common data service and some stuff there. So
the ability to connect to Dynamics or Business Central through the common data service will hugely improve your ability to report on things in Power BI or other tools.
And to use Flow as an integration tool. So if we've been doing that for clients, that's helped us immensely.
Absolutely. So they got some big improvements in Power Automate and Flow, and then just some out of the box workflow notification stuff as well. So there's a lot in Business Central. If you guys have questions there, please reach out. We'd be happy to show you some of those new features and go over that stuff with you.